Ever send a Docusign document to the wrong email address? Don't panic, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. First, log into your Docusign account and click on the Manage tab at the top of the screen. This will take you to your document dashboard. Find the document you sent with the incorrect email address. It will likely be in the waiting for others status. Click on the document to open it. You'll see a list of recipients. Find the recipient with the incorrect email. Hover your mouse over their name. A small arrow will appear next to their name. Click on that arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Correct Recipient. This will open a window where you can edit their information. Now, in the email field, carefully type in the correct email address. Double-check to make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered the correct email, click the Save button. Docusign will then update the recipient's email address for that document. And that's it. The recipient list will now show the correct email. The recipient will receive a notification to sign. You can now breathe a sigh of relief.